Since 1928, Exacompta has designed, developed and manufactured stationery products dedicated to companies' and individuals' needs. With its users in mind, the brand is constantly evolving and adapting products to the most useful and on-trend solutions. Born in the heart of Paris, where it still has an important manufacturing plant, the company Exacompta has now 12 manufacturing across Europe. At its Eferding plant, located in Austria, Exacompta has developed a full range of office desktop products, available in both hard plastic and injection-moulded plastic. In this area, Exacompta fully controls the production process, beginning with the raw materials and ending with the finished product. To offer the best quality and ergonomics, Exacompta is the only brand in this sector to manufacture its own injection moulds. This is aided through Exacompta's expertise of 3D computer-aided design. Each mould, developed in-house, is finely specified to optimize production and maximize quality. Exacompta offers up to a 25-year warranty for a wide selection of its desktop products to consumers, including card index boxes, letter trays and desktop drawers, which have helped the brand name to be internationally recognized with both distributors and consumers. To protect our planet, Exacompta uses more than 60% post-consumer recycled plastics in its office environment products and is certified by the most demanding labels. Exacompta in its daily operations actively helps to protect the environment, reusing materials in useful ways. In order to maintain an optimal level of service for its resellers, Exacompta has also a state-of-the-art order and delivery system based on a unique logistics platform in which more than 200 million items pass through each year. With a strong global brand notoriety, Exacompta has become one of the most recognizable brands in the stationery market by its consumers, the result of a very wide product distribution across all distribution channels and an increased desire to get closer to its users through communication campaigns on television and on social media.
Exacompta, the design of the organization since 1928.